Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Djerf for those of you who are new here, and today we are back to the content you are all here for. I have an Aritzia haul for you. It's a wee bit small. Can't. It's a bit small. That's only because I'm trying to be good and I'm also trying to wait for clientele. But I also am going to New York in a month and I am trying to be financially responsible. Oh, anyways. Okay, so I put up an Aritzia tips and tricks video, which explains how I got these pants. Not verbatim like these particular, but the trick that I use to buy things that are out of stock online or on crazy pre-order. So she's so pretty. 1 second, I'm gonna TikTok this. BRB. Hey guys, okay, so I filmed on TikTok and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Aritzia now that I'm done with my TikTok, because gotta TikTok when you can. Anyways, so I got the Aritzia Effortless trousers in a size 2. This is the twill fabric in the herring and birch. So these I ordered using my talk to the concierge, order from any store in the country trick. Because these are winter, they're last season, and they were first on pre-order and then they were completely sold out. So I decided to just pick them up while I still could. And the reason for kind of the rush and why I didn't wait for clientele to buy these is because Aritzia has changed their Effortless pant sizing and it's become quite all over the place. The same way they did with the Melinas, they've done that to the Effortless pants, and I find that's very frustrating. So Aritzia, hey, please don't change your sizing, add more sizes. You know, the waist standard shouldn't change as you add different lengths, you know? It should be the same. You need to add more smaller and more larger sizes. Many more larger sizes. There's a market there, promise you. But please stop fuxing with the waistbands when you change the lengths. Thank you. Anyways, I'm really annoyed about that, not gonna lie. So it is what it is. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I will release a FYI if I do ever pick up other Effortless pants, but I'm a bit sketched out because they've changed the sizing the way they did with the Melinas, and it's gonna be one of those things where I'm gonna release a video about it and then you guys are gonna be like, nope, that's not what happened. And I'm gonna be like, oh, it's inconsistent, isn't it? She is inconsistent. So I'm gonna do my best. We're gonna hope and pray it standardizes, but honestly, Aritzia, seriously, figure it out. Just these pants are beautiful and they're great. You didn't need to mess with a good thing. If you wanted to create a shorter size, take the regular ones and cut off fabric from the bottom. It would have been fine. It would have been fine. Anyways, I digress. But actually, this is a really serious issue that I'm having with Aritzia right now, and I'm sure many of you are experiencing it, where you love the clothes, you love the company, you love how it looks, but their sizing is becoming so incredibly inconsistent because they're manufacturing in such high quantities and they're changing their sizing guides so fast. There's no quality assurance, no quality control really, and they're losing the core ethos of the brand where it used to be. And for the price point, it should fit a 4 should fit like a 4 should fit like a 4 should fit like a 4 across all of the colors, all of the sizes. It's very, it's getting frustrating, Aritzia. It really is. Anyways, so I picked these up because these are the old style, the before they changed them ones. And I'm honestly sad that I didn't know that they were changing the Effortless pants, because I would have picked up the crepe. I would have picked up 3 black, 3 white, 3 tan, you know, in the crepe material and all of the others, because I'm that obsessed. And I, yeah, now need to go in store and try on 15 different pairs to try and find which length and which waist actually will work for me. So yes. Anyways, there are some twills still in stock across various stores in Canada. I don't know about the stock in the States because I don't have, well, I do have access to that, but I don't look at it all the time, because if I do, then I have to order it to my partner's house and then I have to wait for them to bring it to me. And when it comes to Aritzia, I want it like 3 days ago. So yeah, I'm really aggressive about it. Anyways, I got a size 2. It is the old style, which I am really sad that they are discontinuing, because I think they had a really good thing and they should have just kept the sizing the way it was, introduced different lengths without changing the waist sizing, introduced more sizing without changing the sizing. You know, like, it's possible to keep the 2, the 4, the 6, the 8, and the 10 the same and add those other sizes and have them fit and work and grade nicely and fit nicely. But yeah, this is a whole lot of just me complaining in this haul. I'm really sorry. You guys didn't need this. But anyways, I will show you what they are looking like on now.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
That is my Aritzia try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.